Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving another simultaneous equation using the substitution method. The book I am going to be using is this book right here, the Cambridge IGSCE and O level additional maths course book. So let's get started. The question is question number 20 from exercise 2.1. The question says the sum of two numbers x and y is 11. So there are two numbers x and y, and the sum of them is, and if we add them, we get the product of 11. We get the answer of 11. We get the answer of 11. So this much is clear that x plus y equals 11. And the other statement says the product of the two numbers is 21.25. Simple as that. X into y is 21.25. That's all given. So this is part A complete. Part A has been completed, which says part A, write down two equations in x and y. We have both of them. So that's part A. Now what does part B say? Solve your equation to find the possible values of x and y. So we have to find the values of x and y. So we'll have to make y the subject. That's how the question starts. Y is equal to 11 minus x. So x is equal x into 11 minus x is equal to 21.25. This much is clear. So 11x minus x square minus 21.25 is equal to 0. So what we simply did was we multiplied 11 minus x with x and 21, and we brought 21.25 to the other side of the equation and changed the sign. So let's get to do this. Minus x square plus 11x minus 21.25 is equal to 0. We are going to take minus 1 common, so x square minus 11x plus 21.25 is equal to 0. We are going to take minus 1 and divide it by 0, which will result in 0. So x square minus 11x plus 21.25 is equal to 0. Now we can't Milton break this because it's in decimal. So what we'll have to do is use the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon whole 2a. X is equal. So the coefficient of x in the first part is a, will be represented by a, minus 11 is represented by b, and 21.25 will go into the place of c. Simple as that. So it will look something like minus 11 plus minus under root minus 11 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 21.25. X is equal to this entire thing, 2 into minus 2 into 1. x is equal to 11 plus minus under root 121 minus, so 4 into 21.25 is 85 upon 2. 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 21.25 is 85. So x is equal to 11 plus minus under root 36 upon 2. Now we have a plus minus sign. That means we'll have to separate this equation. One will have the plus sign and the other will have the minus sign. So x is equal to 11 plus under root 36 upon 2. X is equal to 11 plus 6 upon 2. X is equal to 17 upon 2. That's one answer for x, one possible value of x. The other will be found out right now. The 11 minus under root 36. X is equal to 11 minus 6. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put upon 2. Upon 2. So x is equal to 11 minus 6 upon 2. X is equal to 5 upon 2. These are the two possible values of x. Now we'll return to the original equation, which was y is equal to 11 minus x. Y is equal to 11 minus 17 upon 2, which is y is equal to 5 upon 2. So we have our answer 11 upon 2, sorry, 17 upon 2, 17 upon 2, comma 5 upon 2. That's one equation, one answer. Y is equal to 11 minus x, y is equal to 11 minus 5 upon 2, y is equal to y is equal to 17 upon 2. So 5 upon 2, comma 17 upon 2. So these are the answers for question number 20 of exercise 2.1. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll go through the steps one more time. This was step number 1. The answer A was just making the equation, and then we started answering the question B. So we put the values in the quadratic formula, and then we further solved the quadratic formula. After finding the values of the possible values of x, we then went on to find the possible values of y. That's how we figured out the answer. I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and inshallah I'll see you guys in the next video. Share this video with friends and colleagues who would like to improve during the summers or just want some tips on how to solve simultaneous equations. And I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.